Hello everyone, welcome back to Foodology by Dipali. I am back again today with another weight loss recipe, that is saute vegetables with paneer steak. I have around 250 grams of paneer, mixed herb seasoning, some chili flakes, black pepper, salt, some butter, baby corn, diced onions, zucchini, some chopped garlic, blanched carrots, mushrooms cut into halves, blanched broccoli and mixed bell peppers. Take a grill pan and pour some olive oil in it. Let it heat a little bit. Saute 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'll start with onions. Add some carrots along with this and some broccoli. While we are doing saute veggies, we are not supposed to cook the vegetables completely. Vegetables should be little crunchy. In the meantime, we'll take our paneer and cut it lengthwise like this. The whole slice we should cut. Cut into 2 parts or 3 parts, entirely your wish. Now let's marinate it little. Use olive oil, some garlic, salt, pepper and some chili flakes. Rub it nicely. An important step when we are doing the saute vegetables, keep adding butter. Little by little, keep adding butter. This butter will give glaze to the vegetables while they are getting cooked. So what I'll add in the meantime, I'll add some mixed herb seasoning, some chili flakes, little bit of salt, pepper and bit of butter to it. Mix it well. And take it out in a plate. Time to make another lot. We'll go with the peppers now. So my peppers are done. Again, take it out. This way. I'll do mushrooms now and zucchini. Baby corn will take time, so we'll do it separate. Pour some more oil. Now it's time for add a little butter and time to make paneer stick. I'll pour a little more on the top. Now you see our steak is done very nicely. Nice grilling effect I can see. Time to plate our dish. Some veggies. So here's our today's dinner. Paneer steak with sauté veg and mashed potatoes. You can have it with garlic bread or any sauce of your choice, or baked beans also. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to our channel, and for more such healthy recipes, keep following our website www.foodologybydeepali.com. The link is given in the description. I hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much.